Hello, today we are going to explore array functions. Now, they are the same functions, but the inputs are arrays, and somehow the end result or their calculations is way swifter, and you can get a result in a single step rather than doing it in multiple steps. Now, in this example, we are going to do the calculation in two methods, one with array function and one using the normal function. So we have these products sold, the number of products that we have sold and the unit price. So revenue would automatically be the product of this into this. Now simply drag this down, you get the revenue against each product, and here the total revenue, I can sum all this up using the sum function, and I get 17,044. Now let's use an array function to get this total. Now, so in here I would be multiplying the whole array, this whole array, with this and summing that up. So using the sum function, and if I select this whole array which is getting multiplied by this, and if I close it, now there are two ways of doing this. Whenever you write some function, you simply press enter. If you press enter, it will not get into the array function. You will simply get an answer which is not 17,044, our desired number which we are looking for. So if I simply press enter, I get 1240, which is nowhere that number. But if I use the same formula, and rather than simply pressing enter, I do control shift enter, I get 17,044. Let me change the format. So this is now the same. And here there is another difference, that there are now parentheses which encompasses the whole function. So this means that this is array function. So the array function can be found out using this, and you see that when I press simply enter, it doesn't work. But now that these parentheses are there, or you can you don't need to write these parentheses, you can simply do control shift and enter, you will get your desired result. I hope you liked this, and this is something which you can use, and it's going to make your life a lot easier, because here we had to calculate all this, then we had to add this up to get this. Here you got this with a single formula, single function, single array function. And if the data was huge, this could work. And you can also do it where the variables are more than 2 or 3, so the array functions would work there as well. If you like this video, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon.